Hello and welcome back to our channel. And during the month of September, we finished up our time in Vietnam and we came to the beautiful country of the Philippines, where we experienced a couple of typhoons and earthquake.
All sorts of interesting
So
things.
it wasn't what we thought we were going to be having during our time here in the Philippines, but it made for an interesting time. We're Harry and Charlene, two travel without orders, a military couple, retired and living on a pension of $4,000 a month. So come with us and see if we stayed under budget. Did we stay under budget?
Have to wait and see.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. So for the first 9 days of the month of September, we finished up our time in Vietnam at Celine Living in Ho Chi Minh City. And that cost us $39 per night. And then to start our adventure here in the Philippines, we spent 3 nights in Manila at the Grand Hyatt. And what a beautiful property that was. And they had a great lounge as well, but it was a good time. And we actually used points there for our stay. We didn't spend any money, so that was fantastic. And then we went to the beautiful Angel Nido Resort in El Nido, Palawan. Spent 12 nights there, and that cost us $41 per night. Lovely property. The staff there take great care of us, and that's where we experienced our first typhoon. But the views were incredible, and the time there was just fantastic. So
And yummy breakfast.
oh
too.
yeah, provided a free breakfast, so you can't beat that. And then we finished up our time here in Cebu, where we've experienced a earthquake, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake. And, we had to evacuate our room at like 10 o'clock at night. But then by the time we got the all clear, maybe an hour and a half later, we had a couple of extra tremors the next day, but it wasn't anything too serious. But safe and sound, but that cost us $52 per night for 6 nights. And we used points for that as well, or we bought points. But if you're interested in how we bought our points, then there's a link in our description for the IHG credit card. So our total costs for our accommodation during the month of September were $1,156.37.
So we did have some flights this month. We did 3 flights each. We did Ho Chi Minh to Manila, Manila to El Nido in the Philippines, and then El Nido to Cebu, where we are currently. So altogether, $929.18, and that was for a total of 3 flights each, or 6 flights total. Not bad.
Yeah, and just to make sure that everybody's clear, we've had a couple of questions about that. One of the questions we had on our last budget video was, does that include a check-in bag for both of us? And the answer to that question was yes. We were allowed 1 check-in bag each and 1 carry-on each and 1 personal bag as well. So we didn't have any problems with our luggage.
We didn't pay anything extra for a check-on, that was already included.
Right.
The other thing that we had this month was transportation, which we have just continued to use Grab everywhere here in Asia. It's just so inexpensive. I'm sure that getting a bus or a jeepney would be cheaper, but we like the convenience of the Grab, so
Yeah.
we continue doing that.
Yeah.
So this month we spent $86.36 on transportation.
I think the only thing that was unique about transportation is when we were taking from the airport in El Nido to Angel Nido Resort, we took a tuk-tuk. And for him to get 2 grown adults with all of our stuff into this tuk-tuk in this little trike, it was just incredible. But it was a pretty neat experience.
We have to put up a photo of that because it was interesting to say the least. I didn't think he'd make it up those big hills, but he did.
So I get to talk about one of my favorite things, and that's restaurants and eating out. Now, because of the fact that we are staying in hotels the majority of the time that we were in lodging in September, if the meals weren't provided for at breakfast or at the lounge or something like that, then we had to go out and eat. And that was pretty much every day that we had to eat out. There are a lot of places that we really enjoyed. And we'll include the names of those places in the description of this video. But for our total costs for the month of September for restaurants and eating out was $646.05. coffees and for drinks, we are already missing the Vietnamese coffees. We got so spoiled with the coconut cream coffees, these salted coffees. I mean, there's so many different varieties. And it was so fun attending that class last month. I can't wait to start making some of these Vietnamese coffees when I get an opportunity. But in any case, our coffees and drinks expenditures for the month of September came to $38.86. And then for our groceries, now anything purchased from a supermarket or a convenience store, which there is a 7-Eleven close to our current hotel, that we buy, things of that nature. We're drinking a lot of water, and the hotel does provide a lot of water for us, but you can never have too much water in my opinion. But in any case, our groceries came to a total of $153.74.
During this month, we got to do some wonderful things in both Vietnam and the Philippines. We got to do a coffee making class in Ho Chi Minh, which I thought was my favorite thing this whole month. We got to learn how to make 4 different types of Vietnamese coffee. Salted coffee, which is Harry's favorite, coconut coffee, which is my favorite, and 2 other ones. We even got a recipe book. So for $18 each, I thought it was a fabulous value for money.
Was.
We also got to meet some interesting people that were also full-time travelers. We also got to experience local cuisine because it was a great class. We enjoyed that. We also did Landmark 81 in Ho Chi Minh. 82 stories high, terrifying but amazing. You'll have to watch the video coming up in a couple of months for that one. We got to go out on the glass walkway on the 81st floor, I think it was, wasn't it?
That's right.
That was pretty cool. We even got to do a virtual reality up at the top. That was probably the scariest thing for me, but that was a lot of fun too.
I could hardly believe that was actually not real, but it felt real.
It did indeed. We also did a couple of smaller things. We did the Independence Palace in Ho Chi Minh. Very interesting. Probably not my favorite thing to do, but we were there anyway, so we got to experience that, which was kind of cool.
Yeah, from a military perspective, it was kind of neat seeing the building, in which a lot of people were leaving Vietnam during the Vietnamese War. They did have some American tanks, and they did have an American chopper on the top of the building. But it was still kind of moving to think about, what was going on, or reflecting of what the, things were going on during that time frame.
We also did the War Remnants Museum, which was very heavy.
It was. It was things that happened during the Vietnamese War.
Or the American
War. They call it the American War. But in saying that, it gave a perspective from the Vietnamese side of the war to say, here's what was happening. So.
And then lastly, Harry did a boat tour of the islands from El Nido. I was not feeling very well, so I stayed back, and he just did it on his own. So that was all that we did this month. So I thought we actually did quite a few things considering. Our total for sightseeing was $112.57.
Great deal. I think it was a fantastic price.
Yeah.
So for our general fees this month, these are miscellaneous costs where we can't fit anywhere else. For this month though, it included an annual fee for one of our credit cards and for our laundry. So our general fees came to a total of $109.64. So for our eSIM and data, we had a lot of public places that had free Wi-Fi. So we only used 2 gigs of data that's on our plan. So we're really loving our Arello annual plan. We started this plan with 20 gig, and now we have 4.5 gig coming into the month of October. So
we're almost finished the whole year too.
Yeah, so we're going to have to buy another one probably at the beginning of November before we head the repositioning cruise back to the States. But for our eSIM costs, our total costs were $6.87. And for our subscriptions, now our subscriptions, of course, are like Amazon Prime, NordVPN, Dropbox, RV Escapees, Mailbox, and then also Clipchamp, which we use, or Clipchamp Pro, which we use for our video editing. And those costs came to a total of $56.93. Our TRICARE health insurance, our monthly family enrollment for the month of September is $30.41. And that covers both Charlene and myself. And then for our personal care, now both Charlene and I got haircuts during this month, but in Ho Chi Minh, I had probably one of the best shaves of my life, if probably not the best shave of my life. And it only cost $6.44, and that's with tip. But in any case, our personal care came to $68.29. So what do we end up spending, Charlene? I mean, how much do we spend?
Not bad. Our total the entire month of September was $3,397.27.
I like that. That's pretty good.
Now, we did lots of things. We weren't being frugal at all, and we ate out basically every day.
True. Very true.
So considering that, I thought it was pretty impressive. Not bad at all.
So we greatly appreciate you watching our video this month. If you found this informative, or if you have questions or feedback, we'd love to hear your comments and any suggestions you might have. And then, of course, if you haven't already subscribed, we ask that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so every time we publish a video or a short, you'll get notified of what's going on in To Travel Without Orders. Thanks a lot, guys.
See you later.
See ya.